Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined. Tap continue and update your payment information. So guys, when you want to purchase any subscription on iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad. And guys after this you need to open your Apple ID, and guys simply you need to sign out your Apple ID, and guys after this you need to sign in again on your iPhone. And guys after this maybe your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to open your Apple ID again, and guys after opening it you need to scroll it down, and guys this second option is sign in and security. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on change password. So guys simply you need to change your password of your Apple ID, and guys after this you need to go back and purchase again your subscription. And guys after this you need to click on payment and shipping. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after clicking on it you need to remove your all the old payment methods on your iPhone. And guys after removing your all the old payment methods, so guys you need to update your payment method or add your new payment method. And guys after this maybe it's a problem of subscription, so simply you need to click on subscriptions, and guys you need to cancel all the subscription that you have purchased in your iPhone. And guys after doing this simply you need to go back. And guys after this you need to open your settings again, click on your Apple ID, and guys you need to click on media and purchases. And guys after this you need to click on view account, and guys you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys after this here you need to put passcode of your Apple ID, and guys simply you need to click on sign in. And guys here you need to click on country or region, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys you need to click on change country or region, and guys here you need to select your country in which you lives now. So guys for example I am going to select here United States, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys you need to agree with terms and condition of all the iPhone terms and conditions. So guys here you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys if you have debit or credit card, simply you need to add your debit or credit card here. Here is the number, expiry date and CVV. So guys if you have PayPal, then you need to click on PayPal, and guys if you do not want to add any payment method, then you need to click on none. And guys after this here you need to fill all the required portions. So guys for example first one street, and guys third one city and state and zip code and phone number. So guys you need to fill all the portions and guys boxes. And guys after this you need to click on next, and guys you need to save your all the information here. And guys after saving your information, then guys your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to purchase any subscription on iPhone smoothly. So guys after doing all the method, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to tell them your problem, contact to your financial institute, means your bank. So guys if you have using any bank debit or credit card, then guys simply you need to contact with bank, and guys tell them your problem that your payment was declined, and guys they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.